Hey guys, if you're running user acquisition campaigns for your mobile app right now, chances are you're spending more than you should and getting less than you hoped. We see it all the time. CPIs rising, ROAS falling, conversions stalling, and retention rates that just won't hold. Whether you're launching your very first campaign or managing a product with millions of users, the pain points are the same. You try different channels. You tweak creatives. You shift budgets. But at the end of the day, your growth still feels unpredictable and expensive. That's where we come in. We're a performance marketing team that's helped mobile apps across categories, from utilities and tools to games and lifestyle apps, scale profitably. Our job is simple: help you bring in users at the right cost and make sure every dollar you spend comes back multiplied. We manage end-to-end user acquisition campaigns across Google UAC, Meta ads, TikTok, DSPs, Twitter ads, and even OEM channels. We test creatives continuously. We refresh and rotate them before fatigue sets in. We analyze audience segments and geo-performance weekly. We scale only what works. And we've done this before. One of our apps went from 0 to 1 million installs in 24 weeks without losing $1 on UA. We reached net zero cost and generated revenue on top. You can download that case study when you fill the form below. Another client reduced CPI by 50% while nearly doubling retention, just by trusting the data and letting us optimize. So whether you're a team trying to crack your first growth loop, or a mature app trying to improve ROAS at scale, we're here to help. No buzzwords, no fluff, just real campaigns, real revenue, real users. If that sounds like the kind of partner you're looking for, fill the form below to schedule your free UA strategy call. We'll show you where your current campaigns are leaking money and how to fix it. Let's make your growth predictable, profitable, and scalable.